Hi everybody, this is Travis, your service manager here at Healthy Spaces. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about the benefits of an annual maintenance for your crawl space. Here at Healthy Spaces we understand that a crawl isn't really your weekend hangout spot, somewhere you like to enjoy friends and family. So it's nasty, tight, all of the above. So here at Healthy Spaces we run an annual maintenance program where we come out once a year to check on that system for you to give you that peace of mind. During your annual maintenance, we will check on any sump pumps and drainage systems that have been installed to make sure that they're working properly to keep that area dry for you. We'll also check on the vapor barrier that has been installed to make sure it's still in good contact, make sure there aren't any rips, tears, issues that would create any moisture problems. While we're under the home, we will also check all wood surfaces for any mold growth or any issues that you may have concerning health, allergies, asthma, all of the above. During that process, we'll also look at all your HVAC lines and all your water lines just to give you an idea if there are any issues. Healthy Spaces doesn't do any sort of HVAC or water work, but if we can be your eyes and ears down there and take a proactive approach to any issues you may be having, helps create a healthy home for you and a good environment for us as well. On top of that, our annual maintenance always includes any quality checks throughout the year. So if you're having a problem later on in the year, it gives us the opportunity to come out and help you through that problem, guarantee that healthy space that we try and provide for all of our clients.